If you're using slides to present data, you can use some of the tools over here. If we look on Insert, click on this, and we click in Diagram, there are some templates in here. We're going to look at a couple. We're going to look at Hierarchy and Timeline, but you can take the time to look through all of these. Let's look at Hierarchy. And over here you've got some options. You can choose the number of levels, so we can change those. I'm going to change it to 4 just so you can see what happens. You can change the color, and you've got some presets in here, so let's just make this one red so you can see what they look like as red. And you've got some styles, so you can go top to bottom or left to right. So you could, this one down here could be like a draw for a soccer match, but also this looks like it could be a family tree. So let's just choose this one here, and it inserts it in place for you, and you've got your relationships going on down here. So you can obviously go into these spaces and you can change them, change the text and the lettering, etc, etc. So a good little tool to create a template layout if you want to use it. Let's have a look at another tool. Let's click on Insert again, come down to Diagram, and this time let's look on Timeline. And similar thing, come over here onto the right hand side, let's make a 6-date timeline. And you've got some templates down here that you can use, vertical and horizontal, a bit like a Gantt chart going on over here in these templates. But let's just, you can choose whichever one you want to look at. Let's have a look at this one. Again, change the color, make this one purple, and click on this, and you get some options in here. You can edit things, so if you wanted to make this line longer and continue your timeline onto the next slide, for example, you could do. But these templates are a really good way of quickly being able to lay out your data and present information in a clear and precise and concise way.